How to prepare a delicious prawn salad with an authentic French dressing. First you need a pack of seed mix that I bought in Whole Food. Then you need mustard, salt and pepper, balsamic vinegar and olive oil, and most importantly the shallot. Let's start with the most difficult part, which is cutting the shallot. So now the easy part is coming. You need to put 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Then you can put twice some mustard, quantity you like. You mix everything. And now you can add salt and pepper. Et voilà! Now for the salad, I always use cherry tomatoes because they do have a taste. Then I took some chili and coriander king prawns from M&S, I love them. Then some swede and carrot and some kind of salad that is already washed because I don't like to waste time. Let's mix everything together. Don't forget to add the seeds at the end because it gives a lot of taste and mix very well. And the final step now, we need to cook the prawns, which are already cooked, but actually it's just to warm them up and add them to the salad. That's it, my salad is ready. I will be able to eat a delicious meal tonight. Don't forget to thank the creator of the universe every time you eat. Because the food you will eat will be full of love and beneficial for your body. Eat slowly and enjoy every bite of it.